Hold 3 diamonds and press the exchange button to trade for a sword. If you don't have enough diamonds, you can't trade. Enter per W command to turn the mode on and right-click the NPC. NPC settings, screen opens, change the name. Click the edit dialog button and input the barter rules. Close the dialog editor and click the advanced settings button. Click the add command button. Set up the command execution button. When entering multiple commands, it is convenient to create them in a separate text editor and copy-paste them. Enter /WB again to turn the mode off. Switch to survival mode and test the NPC barter exchange.